Microsoft is set to automatically install the Microsoft 365 Copilot app on Windows devices with Microsoft 365 desktop client apps, starting in October. This move will affect users outside the European Economic Area, or EEA, and aims to make Copilot's AI-powered features more accessible across Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. The rollout begins in early October and is expected to finish by mid-November. Microsoft explained, "This app provides a centralized entry point for accessing Copilot experiences and AI-powered capabilities across Microsoft 365. This change simplifies access to Copilot and ensures users can easily discover and engage with productivity-enhancing features," said the company in a recent update. IT administrators can opt out of the automatic installation through the Microsoft 365 Apps Admin Center. By navigating to customization, then device configuration, and finally modern app settings, admins can clear the option to enable automatic installation of the Microsoft 365 Copilot app, giving organizations more control over deployment. Users will notice a new Copilot app icon in the Windows Start menu, enabled by default. Microsoft recommends that admins notify help desk teams and users ahead of time to minimize confusion and support requests as the new app appears on their devices.